always been a lifelong favourite and passion of mine, ants, and you have to admire these amazing insects. Their ability to work together for the good of the colony is absolutely unbelievable. The only other things that do it are bees and wasps, and really it's the only form of communism that actually works. There's no internal falling out, but like humankind, they do have arguments with other colonies, and they will even war with other colonies. Some ants even take slaves. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? But it's their ability to create these enormous colonies, networks of tunnels, and if weather conditions allow, like now, they will build upwards as well. All this lighter soil is what they've dug out, and probably what they've had to dig out and to fix the nest after recent heavy rain. And each of the granules have been brought up individually. Ants will even create roadworks and cover them in, which they're in the process of doing there. If they farm aphids on nearby plants and the weather conditions allow, they'll build and create covered routes to and from their source of aphids and the plant. Amazing things. And this colony has probably been built thanks to that. An old discarded and burnt lager can. But I'm not going to disturb it, the nest. They're absolutely amazing things. And people never take the time. There's a couple of guards at the entrances here, and they are still in the process of constructing the nest. Every so often a worker will come out and place the grain of sand or grains of sand in exactly the right place. They don't need no unions because there's no falling out. Just marvellous things. And this nest covers here, look, and goes back to those bits of Calluna there. You can see where it's been taken up. But I've just noticed here, close by here, and completely unharmed, if we can get to it, there's this caterpillar. And this is the caterpillar of the beautiful yellow underwing, which is very common on heathland. And if you sweep net Calluna like this, these drop into it by the dozen. It's an attractive caterpillar and an even more attractive moth. And you'll often get the caterpillars at different stages. You'll get some that are quite small and some that are full grown. It's a beautiful moth, and it's a lovely caterpillar. And this one, the ants haven't found, or at least aren't bothered about it, because it's right against the entrance. There's the caterpillar, and there's the entrance to the nest. They're absolutely marvellous things, ants. I just wish we had more wood ants in Nottinghamshire than we do. Wood ants are only confined to one site, one little bit of private woodland in northeast Nottinghamshire, and nobody's interested in bringing wood ants back into Nottinghamshire. It is colonies are being introduced into parts of some southern counties where wood ants aren't, and they've been successfully translocated and even under the auspices of Natural England. But there we go. Ants are wonderful things, and even making use of our discarded rubbish.